So on my previous video, I was expecting the market to push to the downside. So on my previous video, the market was still at these levels, right? So I was anticipating the market to sorry about that. So I was anticipating the market push all the way to the downside, violate this higher low, come back and retest this level, right? So now, because the market has given birth to this whole ranging market, the market has given birth to a new zone. So this zone is no longer a priority to me. I will no longer be looking at that zone. I will be looking at this zone right here. I am looking at this new zone that has been given birth to, right? So when the market breaks out of this structure, the market will come back and test this level, continue moving to the downside. So we also on the bigger time frame where the market is more likely to go. So the market still has a long way to go. The market still needs to push all the way to the downside. So I am already involved in this market. Why am I already involved in this market? I am already involved in this market because of what is presented here by the market, right? The market has given us this whole ranging market, which to me, this ranging market means something. From experience, I know what the market will do next, right? So I got involved at these levels right here, and my stop loss is just above these candlesticks rejections, right? My stop loss is just above these levels, and I am expecting the market to push all the way to the downside, right? I am expecting the market to push all the way to the downside. So the market will eventually break out of this structure. If that happens, I will expect the market to come back to these areas, to test these areas right here. So when the market comes back to these areas, I will enter again more positions and go down with it. Looks like we have finally broken out of this structure. As you can see, the market finally did broke out of this structure. So what I will be waiting for, as I said, is that I'm gonna be waiting for the market to come back and test these levels right here, and then after that it will all be just a matter of managing these trades, you know. It's just a matter of managing these trades, you know. We all know that we have to risk. After risking, we have to enter. After entry, it's all about management. After management, it's all about psychology. So we are now on psychological levels and management levels. So I'm waiting for that retest, and then I enter more positions, and then after that it's all about psychology and how I manage these trades, you know. It looks like the market finally did these areas that I was talking about. I did anticipate the market to come to this level, violate these levels before the market pushes back up to test those levels, right? Now it seems like the market is rushing back to test these levels right here. As I said before, the market should come back and test these levels before it continues moving to the downside. So right now I'm just gonna wait and see what's gonna happen when the market reaches these levels where it has to retest, you know. So the market did as we expected. So look at what happened after the market went back for that retest. After few hours, look what the market did in just 2 hours. the market is just rushing all the way to the downside because it has where it needs to go. There's a level where it has to reach before it can change its direction. So as you can see, guys, the market, as I anticipated, the market eventually went back for that retest, and now we are just shooting all the way to the downside. Look at where the market turned. The market turned exactly where I said it would turn. So yeah, man, I'm not gonna lie, guys, most of these things, I didn't pay for this skill. Most of the things I learned from YouTube. I'm a self-taught trader. I learned these things from YouTube. Most of the entries I learned from Lesiba Mutupi's channel, and the rest I learned from Falcon. There's a lot that everything you need to know about the market is online. The internet has everything you need to know. I didn't pay for this skill. I learned from YouTube. I watch a lot of YouTube videos, and yeah, man, one thing I can tell you is that you should plan your trades and trade your plan. That's all I can say. Peace.
I think it all starts with self-development. You got 24 hours, even if you spend an hour a day just developing yourself, you know what I mean? Thinking about the things that you can improve, thinking about the things that you can learn, thinking about information, all of that stuff, linking up, networking every single day, at least an hour a day. I just recently started reading. I was never a reader.
Nice.
And it's really helped me to basically take better decisions even when I'm angry with my emotions. It's really about just self-development for me. I think we need to start there.